In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall Kindle app from your phone. So if you no longer need this app, to install it is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, just go to your phone, swipe it to access apps. Locate where Kindle app is. You can see mine is here. Then long press on it. And if you long press on it, you can see we have this option to uninstall. You can simply uninstall or remove your app by tapping on uninstall from here. If you don't see this, then go to app info or a settings here that is there. This will take you to the app info page where you can also uninstall the app. If you uninstall it, this will remove the app together with its files. So for my case, I just use this shortcut, uninstall, and then confirm, and as you can see, the app has been uninstalled from my smartphone. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Kindle app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.